Brief, accurate and important news of today's Tuesday. State Minister sponsor in political deputy respective Maulavi Abdul Kabir in a meeting with the acting Minister of Higher Education mentioned the need for the development of the higher education sector in the present era and said that the teaching system should be arranged and implemented in the universities, that the students should be educated in the Islamic and national spirited manner despite the academic capital. The head of the Affairs Department, Sheikh Al-Hadith Maulavi Nurul Haq Ansar said in a meeting with the representatives of the trade union, solving the economic problem of the country is one of the priority of the Islamic Emirat, and in this regard, it has taken practical steps to solve the problems of the traders. The Supreme Court says the family of deceased person pardoned the murderer through the efforts of the Primary Court of Shahar Safa district of Zabul province. The residents of Baghlan province say that due to the complete security, they now go to the entertainment places without any worries. Pilgrims returned from Saudi Arabia said that the Islamic Emirat had provided them with better food, better transport, suitable accommodation in other complete facilities than in other years. A factory called Fakri Steel was opened today in Kabul. In this iron factory, which has been built with an investment of about $10 million, 700 people have been directly employed and thousands of people have been indirectly employed. The local officials of Bamiyan say 7,000 families and 500 foreign tourists visited the historical and natural areas of Bandi Amir National Park this year. The reason for the increase in tourists to the province, security, ancient and historical areas in suitable climate in summer have been shown.